That's good enough. There's so many people around right now. This is so awkward. Hi guys, I'm Brooke, Christina. Welcome to today's shop with me. So today I'm gonna go to Homesense to check out all their new spring stuff. Now if you're someone like me where you live in a cold climate or you just have 4 seasons, you would understand it's not exactly spring weather right now. It's actually flurrying as I speak right now, and it's also like negative 10 degrees outside or something, so definitely doesn't feel like spring. But I know that all the shops are getting their new spring stuff, and I like to revamp my space every so often. I just want it to feel like a little more fresh right now, so just want to add like a couple new decor pieces, and obviously I'll show you guys all the new spring stuff that's in Homesense. So let's go do some shopping, because sitting here in my car while I'm staring at Homesense, kind of killing me. I just want to go in there, so let's go. So I just got in here and I decided to film off my phone just so it's not as awkward. They have so much new stuff. A lot of blue. Clearly blue is in right now. Some good stuff. But it's got pictures around it. How cute is that? My dream is to get a mirror this tall. I'm loving this combo, the green with the pink. I'm thinking of getting something like this because I want to fit one with hair ties and another with like feminine products. They're only $7.99 and they have a whole bunch of different sizes. I kind of like this one. They have a smaller one over there. But they're so cute. These are just in the kitchen area, like beside the mugs. They have a whole bunch of colors. I really like the pink. And then in the future when I get my own apartment, I can use these for like sugar and spices and stuff if I need to store them. Sometimes I wish I already had my own place so I could come here and splurge and decorate the crap out of my own house. But right now I just have my bedroom. This is so fun. Guys, they have so many cute things. If you have a local Homesense, which I'm sure a lot of you do, definitely come check it out because they have really cute stuff. Like, I don't need this, but I really like it. this glass table, $55. This adorable little table is $55. This chair is gorgeous. You guys, I've been sucked into the food section. I'm looking at this right now to add to my smoothies. Not that I make smoothies, but I'm trying to be more healthy. I'm gonna pick up chickpeas though, because I have a bunch of recipes on my Pinterest save that use crispy chickpeas. I don't know if I like them, but I'm gonna friggin' use them. They're only $3.99, so why not? Protein pancakes? Hell yeah. You guys, tag Adeline Morin in this video, because there's just yellow everything. Like, she needs all of this. That's awesome. It's so cute. Success. I found some things. When I get in the car, I'll do a little haul. But Homesense was good to me today. So I just got in the car. I just want to start by apologizing because obviously I know when I was in there I was filming with my iPhone and the quality is definitely different than filming with this camera. It's just so uncomfortable to vlog out in public, but also I'm just so terrified of doing these shop with me's and, you know, the store seeing that I'm literally filming in their shop and kicking me out. I'm so scared of that happening to me. I've heard it happen to other YouTubers and I just don't want it to happen to me because it's just embarrassing. So hopefully you guys understand. Hopefully it's not that crazy. I did put in my headphones so that at least the audio was better and you guys could hear me much better. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I only got a few things. There definitely is still some stuff that I want to look for my bedroom, but that will come with time, I think. I guess I'll just tell you guys the things I'm still looking for in case you know any shops I should check out that you think would probably have this. But I'm looking for a hanging succulent because in the corner of my room, I have a doll, like a doll on a swing, and people tell me all the time it's really creepy. I've had her since I was really young, and I just think it's time to move on. So I want to put a succulent or something. So if you guys know anywhere to get one of those, let me know. I did look in Homesense, I didn't see anything, but maybe it's just too early. I don't know. I also mentioned I want to look for cute hooks because I have some hats that have been hanging on my bed for quite a while and I'm just tired of it. So I want to put them on a wall, but I think I might just go to like Walmart and get command hooks. I also want a poof chair. I'm not 100% sure about this because I know they are a bit pricey and I'm just not willing to spend $50 on a little poof chair, you know? I did see one in Homesense that I really liked. I don't think I filmed it because it was like in the middle of a really busy area and I just felt so awkward filming. But it was really nice, but obviously I passed on it. I got a succulent. I don't know how it'll look. I'll definitely have to wait until I get home, but I got it just in case because it was the only one. So I'll show you that. So this is the one I went with. I really love this. I think it's so pretty and I like these like vines, leaves, whatever they are. It's cute. This was $14.99. And then I'll just get these out of the way because they're just in the same bag. So I did get these crunchy chickpeas. I have no idea what this means. Falafel. If that's a flavor, I hope I like it. If it's not, I apologize for sounding like an idiot. And I also got a little card. I'm not going to show you the other side just because I don't want to like spoil the surprise because the person it's for, they watch my YouTube videos, but I know somebody who's having a baby, so I was like, might as well. I mean, I'm gonna be in that baby's life, so I'll give them a freaking card. That sounds so bad. I didn't mean it to sound bad. I've been told that sometimes I say things and it comes off so bad. Like, okay, things are moving down there. Sorry if you hear that noise. I can't stand the sound of plastic bags. I've been told I say some things that make me come off and sound like a biatch, but I don't say things properly sometimes, so I'm sorry. And then these are the little jars. I'm just gonna open one of them because they're the exact same. So I did end up getting these. They were only $7.99 each, and it's funny because I did end up finding some in the makeup storage section, but they were like, I think $10, and then I found some that were actually smaller than this that were like $12, and I was like, literally how? Like, I don't know. But these are really nice. They have a wooden top and they have some texture to them, so these will be great. And like I said in a clip when I was in Homesense, these would also be great in my kitchen one day when I move out. You know, they're just multi-purposeful. Very multi-purpose. That doesn't sound right. They'll be used for like multiple things. I'll have them in my life for a long time. It's basically what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's everything I got from Homesense. And I guess that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more shop with me's, definitely let me know. And let me know other stores you guys want me to check out. I am Canadian, so I don't have all of these stores that you guys have in the States or elsewhere. So just keep that in mind when you guys are suggesting things. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. If you're not subscribed, be sure to do that down below. I'm really trying to focus on my channel this year and have it grow. So it'd mean the world to me if you'd subscribe. But always remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are uniquely you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!